Welcome to JH. Nugenix Tribulus is designed to support your energy, stamina, and overall vitality with a strong dose of Tribulus extract, because apparently, your morning coffee just isn't doing the heavy lifting anymore. Many people who try it report feeling more motivated during workouts and notice a definite improvement in drive and performance. It's easy to take and features a clean formula without unnecessary fillers, which is great if you prefer your supplements without a side of chemical sawdust. Some users feel the boost after a week or two, while for others, the results are much more subtle, which is often a polite way of saying they didn't feel a thing. Feedback isn't exactly universal, as plenty of reviews mention little to no noticeable change at all. You might also encounter minor side effects like mild headaches or an upset stomach, depending on how much your body typically rebels against herbal supplements. Still, it offers good value for the potency provided, though it works best when combined with proper exercise, nutrition, and rest. You know, those pesky habits that actually require effort. Overall, this product is a decent choice if you're looking for extra support, but it works best when paired with healthy habits and expectations that aren't based on a superhero origin story.